Hi, welcome everyone. Let's paint another easy landscape. This is a third tutorial of easy landscape paintings for beginners and anyone who wants to enjoy the painting. All materials for this painting I have mentioned in the description box. I will start with the horizon line. As you don't need any drawing for this painting. Starting with the sky using light yellow ochre and slowly we'll add some orange in it. To create soft light, I use very gentle brush strokes. And let colors blend by itself. There is no reference picture for this painting and you don't need any drawing for this painting. This is just the practice tutorial to improve loose watercolor technique. Now for the foreground, I am using a touch of sap green and brown. Adding some texture with water. Now let it dry. Till that time we'll finish our sky. Using ultramarine blue and Penny's grey for the sky. I'm not editing this part very fast because I feel to see the basic process is very helpful to learn rather than to see the finished part. So there are no cuts in this painting. You can actually finish your painting in 10 minutes. Now I feel to change the foreground, so adding more dark brown and we'll add some distance trees also. These distance trees are far, so we are just suggesting some shapes of trees. We don't have to make them proper. Don't give so much details to the those far trees. You can splatter some paint also. I'm not adding so much details over here. And I think I'm done with this painting. This is our final painting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and see you for the next video.